got in the car, got the dogs loaded up, and we are headed to the lake for the day. My parents are down there all week, but we still have to work a little bit this week, so we're not like staying for overnight or anything. But it's really not that far for us, so I just figured while I was off today, we would head down there for a little bit. They love going and playing and going on the boat, so I don't know what we're gonna do, but I just figured that I would vlog for you guys. I did just film my surgery update, so that'll be up already, so if you haven't seen that, definitely go check it out, and I will leave it linked up in the cards. But yeah, I just need to check my blood sugar, and I'm gonna eat on the, I just grabbed a Pop-Tart. I'm sure that they'll have something for lunch when I get there. So I'm just gonna eat a Pop-Tart right now and head that way. I've got Miller and Bella, and then I also have Coco, who you guys probably haven't seen at all, if not in a while. She normally stays with my parents. She likes to hang out with my grandmother, and my grandmother loves having her to like take care of. So we let her stay there when we moved into our house, and she comes home every now and again, like she's home now. I did get a new tripod, so that's what you guys are sitting on. So yeah, sorry there's a lot of ums. I'm just trying to do too many things at one time apparently. Let me do this. You see Miller? You say hi? Say hi, bud. Miller.
Thanks for getting it, Marty.
Good morning, guys. Happy 4th of July, even though I don't know what day it'll be when you see this, but today is the 4th. I'm in the McDonald's drive-thru trying to get some breakfast before heading back to the lake today. As you guys know, it's like an hour drive, so I didn't want to wait to eat, but they're doing construction here, and so they're only using one window this morning, and it's taking forever. But it'll be worth it. I got the babies all ready to go, and yeah, the sun's gonna be kind of crazy right now. But yeah, I got my 4th of July makeup on. I'll show you guys that in a little bit. And my Pimpin' Joy shirt. Me, my brother, and his girlfriend all have these, and we wore them last year, and now we didn't wear them on the 4th last year, but we wore them like the day before, a couple days before. We were all on vacation, and apparently we're all wearing them again today, so that'll be kind of fun. So I'm gonna vlog the day. I don't know what we're doing. I don't know if we're gonna go on the boat or if we're just gonna hang out. Hopefully both, but if not, it's okay. I'm only staying for a little while because Dwight had to work today, and so he's just gonna stay over at his boss's house, and they're gonna like cook out and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go down here for half the day and then come back and go over there for the rest of the day. So that is what's happening, and I will just keep on vlogging as we go. I forgot the other day, but hopefully I won't forget today. My brother's supposed to be looking at my cameras as well so that I can hopefully vlog on them too. So I will see you in just a little bit. to the camper. Bobby and Taylor are here as well. And my mom and dad, and then there's a few other people coming. So I was just vlogging to show you guys what it looks like out here. And then my dad is going on the golf cart somewhere. I was gonna take it, but I don't know where he went. And it's so loud out here because that thing is like an outdoor air conditioner, and it like has a water source to it, so it can like blow mist to keep you cool because it's so hot out here. So that's pretty awesome. And then everyone else is inside still. I think we're eating around noon, and it's like 10:40 or so. So anyways, just wanted to update you guys and let you know that we made it.
Walking anywhere. But we are headed to the flagpole. Yeah, so we're headed somewhere. We're going to call our grandmother and wish her a happy 4th. She's down in Jackson with some of our other family. Spend time with her. And one of my favorite parts about being out here is that there's no cell service. You have to go to this place. It's just a flagpole out here, but you have to go there to get cell service. So if you're out here, you can't just be on your phone the whole time. That's probably one of my favorite parts about being out here. So we're headed right there. We're headed up there right now.
Hi, buddy.
You're doing it to yourself. You're doing it to yourself. Hey, here. What?
He's escaping. Crazy people don't know how to drive on this road. I just left the camp. I am headed back to go where Dwight is. They, after work, I guess, did like a cookout and are hanging out, whatnot. So I have tomorrow off, and since he doesn't, I figured I would go back and hang out with him the rest of today because I haven't really seen him much since he's been working literally every day. And then I'll come back out here tomorrow since I'm off. So that's what I'm doing. I changed clothes because I was really hot. But yeah, I got 2 of the 3. I left the little bitty because she is not going to want to go over here where we are. And since I'll be over here a while, I know she'll just get hot and be miserable. And since I'm coming back early in the morning, I just figured I'd let her stay. So yeah, that is what I'm doing. It's about probably an hour, 45 minutes to an hour. so we'll see. I don't know what they're doing, if they're at the creek or what, but I'll vlog again once I get there. I'm not going to really worry about it right now, but we had fun today, and everybody's just hanging out now, so I just figured I'd go ahead and head back this way. So hope you guys are enjoying and having a great day. Good morning, guys. So I just dropped Dwight off to go to work, and I am now going to go pick up the dogs and head back to the camper. I'm not exactly sure what we're going to be doing today. I'm pretty sure my sister and her boyfriend are coming down today, so hopefully we'll go out on the boat or something. So yeah, I just wanted to pop on here and say good morning and get today started. I just ate breakfast, so I'm just going to pick up the dogs. I let them stay at my mom and dad's house with Bobby and Taylor. It was just easier because we were out last night. So yeah, hope today is a good day. Hope you all are having a good day, and let's just get this show on the road. At your favorite place? Are you at your favorite place? So we made it back. Come here, buddy. Come on. Come on. There. Can you say hi? Thank you. Thank you. Oh, get comfy. Okay. Sweet girl. Where's that sweet girl? Are you being a mama's boy? Are you being a mama's boy? Yeah. You say hello. Trying to get the light to fix. There we go. Look at that girl. Look at that girl. Hey guys, sorry for the terrible lighting, but I'm fixing to edit the vlog, and I realized that I forgot to end it because we got home really late last night, like around 11 or so. So I just wanted to get on here and say thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe before you leave, and I am almost to 500 subscribers. I think I'm at like 480 or something like that. So as soon as we get to 500, I'm going to do a 500 subscriber Q&A. So be sure to follow me on Instagram. It'll be at the end of this video on the end screen, or it's always in the description box. So definitely follow me there because I'm going to post on there to get you guys' questions. Or if you just want to post the questions down below, comment them down below in this video, and I will answer all of you guys' questions. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.